Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching PowerPoint and selecting a template or a blank canvas. This is where you choose the visual tone. Once done, set the slide dimensions to 16, 9 for screens or custom size for print, and save immediately as PPTX to avoid loss. Add a title slide with a clear, short headline and subtitle that states purpose. Make sure to enable auto-save if available. Organize a folder for assets, so images and fonts are easy to find as you build. Now focus on content and consistency. Edit the slide master so fonts, colors, and a logo apply across every slide. You save time and avoid mismatches. Then add structured slides. Use a single heading, 3 to 5 concise bullets, and 1 strong visual per slide to keep attention. When inserting charts or images, pick high-contrast assets and use align and grid tools to position elements precisely. Once aligned, duplicate well-designed slides to maintain rhythm and reduce repetitive formatting work. Finish by rehearsing the entire slideshow and set slide timings. Recording narration can save live presentation anxiety. Once you're happy, export copies, PDF for handouts, MP4 for video playback, and ensure fonts are embedded for other machines. Make sure animations and transitions are subtle, use them only to support flow, and verify any hyperlinks and embedded media work on the actual presentation device. If something breaks, try packing the presentation folder or using PowerPoint's compatibility checker to resolve missing fonts or media issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.